Good morning, everyone. Here he goes. So, it is Saturday morning. I have a lot of things that I want to do. So, I'm just going to tidy up my room before I get my day started. So, let's just get our shit together. Also, I'm watering my plants, so I'm just hoping I didn't wait too long. Oh no. Because this is like my favorite plant right now. Ugh. I just hate that. I tend to neglect my plants. Anyways, yeah. I hate that I tend to neglect my plants because I just love them so much and they've been going through it with me. They've been seeing everything. And I feel bad because I haven't been taking care of them. So let's start taking care of our plants. Okay, I decided that I'm not going to eat breakfast. I'm going to do a fasted workout because I've been getting really bloated after eating and I just don't want that to interfere with my workout. I also don't feel too hungry. I feel fine. But if you're ever in this situation or you have similar issues like me, but you won't get hungry, like listen to your body. Always listen to what your body needs. So we are doing glutes today again. Yeah, I hope I'm showing enough workouts. I'm probably gonna do the same thing as I did last time, but you guys can see it again then. I hope you enjoy. So let's get to the gym. Cadence. Okay, I just got home. I was just being lazy, but I really need to eat. And I'm starting to get a headache. I need to like... My hair is giving me a headache. Okay, I've been craving my toast and egg. It's the best ever. You guys need to try it and then let me know what you guys think. Oh my god. Let's get our shit together. Ooh. I also have leftovers. I'll eat that later. Dave's Killer Bread. We have this spicy pepper jack goat milk cheese. Let's do 2 egg white to 1.5 yolk. Ooh. And then just spicy garlic, pink salt, and then black pepper. Okay. So, I like to put butter, and then let's put it in the egg white. Oops. Oh! Wow. Wow, there's like a lot of little blood clots. What's going on in here? I don't know if I want to eat that. It's really gross. What the fuck is going on? I like to spread the butter evenly all over the bread because I just love the taste of butter. Like, butter it just cures everything. So actually it doesn't, it actually causes a lot of problems. But we're gonna let that brown. The other egg white, so it'll be better cut. Just put in the yolk, the egg, yeah, egg white, and then there. I'm okay with that. This is my favorite spice. Put that in there. And then the salt. Go lay down. Now I'm just grating the cheese. Mix this up. Okay. Oh no, my battery's dying. Oh no. Okay. This is what it looks like. And this is the bread. Let me just turn this up a little bit. Okay, let me charge this really quick. Okay. I kept the toast on low. Okay, perfect. So let's toast that up. And then while that is toasting up, I'm increasing the heat. I put that to the side. And then I just, I'm gonna show you guys this better. Okay. Should I do this? excited. Now I'm watching this Chinese drama show, but yeah, I'm going to enjoy my toast and I'm going to charge my camera and I'll talk to you guys in a little.